following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Coughness Disease Control. Many reports of a virus has spread across Dallas and completely spreading all across the country. If you're in the Dallas-Polton area, get inside in a shelter. If you don't have a shelter, find a located shelter in your area and get in there and lock all doors and windows. Cover with tape or damp towels with the cracks on the doors or windows. Stay inside for 45 minutes until the virus is done. We are going to continue this proclamation and news and not budge for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department at 2:04 p.m. Central Standard Time. A child has got abducted by a person we don't know who it is. The police are still investigating who this person is. If you have found the child, dial 911 immediately and stay indoors at this time. Lock all your doors and windows. The virus is now gone. Please just stay inside at this time. We're just telling you. Thank you for listening. We'll continue to watch for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department and the United States government. The creature, known as the creature, of course, we just found out there's a creature around the Dallas area. And the child has been found down the road from the bank, which was killed, laying on the sidewalk and bled out. We are going to find this creature, and he will be arrested as soon as possible. Stay indoors and lock all doors and windows. Do not approach this person as in, no, it's completely dangerous. Stay indoors. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight for your protection. Please have a rifle with you at all times. We are going to sign off for the next generation of more information on this dangerous situation. Thank you. Silver danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department at 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. As you noticed, we got the describe of the creature. Known the creature has came from space. This creature has blood coming out of its mouth and a very fast way to 50 kilometers an hour. This creature has big eyes and should not be approached by. If this creature breaks into your house, use arm protection all means. Make sure your guns are all loaded at this time. He is no longer human, but he has a human body. But his face is different. It kind of looks like an alien, but different. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a flashlight and a first aid kit. Charge cell phones and a charger to help you survive this last 14 days. We are going to deal with this creature at this time. We are going to sign off with this more of the situation. Thank you. President will be speaking all stations shortly. Please stand by. 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 The President will be speaking all stations shortly, so shut up. Hello, my fellow Americans. I'm the President of the United States and the government of the United States. As you noticed, the creature, now also as named CER5, has declared an emergency, and he has completely on a rampage. He also became most an unpowerful creature he is. He is most fastest creature in the more than the others. As you notice, this entity also came from SCP Foundation. As you noticed, this creature is from Anamon to be stronger. We advise everyone to go in an underground shelter. If you do not have an underground shelter, please seek inside of a closet or a bathroom that has no windows. But if you do have a basement, please get in there right now and barricade the doors. And lock all doors and windows and block any entrances to your home. If you don't have a shelter, the military will come forward and find a shelter for you. If this creature enters your home, use armed protection by all means, like a firearm or axe or anything that's any possible to kill. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. This message will play on the air. And God bless the United States of America. Good luck. This from the message of the United States government, and the President has said a few words. We are now going to turn off this event that's going on. Good luck to you. And you're not on your own. There's still more to go through. Good luck, everyone. Have a nice life. And good luck. Try to survive this event. The military will still get on track on them and kill this creature, of course. Bye. An administrative message from the United States government. The military has shot down the creature as known as SPB-9 or something. I don't know. We forgot the name of the creature, but we'll find out as soon as possible. You may exit your shelters now. The creature has got bombed by the military. You may exit your shelters. You guys are free to go. Thank you for listening. We'll continue more of this situation. If you don't have a shelter, dial 911 and they'll bring you to the nearest shelter if you're injured. Bye.